Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Tour. My name is Alex.
Hi, everyone. It's wonderful to have you here again. I'm Maya.
We're glad you could join us today.
Before we begin, Alex, how are you today?
I'm doing well. Thank you. I had a peaceful morning and feel ready for today's session. How about you?
I'm doing well too. It's been a busy day, but I'm looking forward to practicing English together.
That's great to hear. Let's begin.
Today's lesson focuses on practical English conversation.
Yes, simple English you can use in everyday situations.
We will focus on natural speaking, not complex language.
You will learn conversation for daily life.
For example, restaurants, airports, shopping, and meeting people.
We will also cover office conversations and weekend discussions.
Practice exercises are available in the description below.
And don't forget, speak with us. Practice out loud. Let's get started. Now, let's make plans.
Oh, I love this part. Making plans is always fun.
Yes, it is. And it's something we do all the time in daily life.
That's right. Meeting friends, going out, or planning activities.
So today, we will learn how to make simple plans in English.
Let's start.
First, you can ask about availability. Are you free on Saturday?
Yes, I am free in the afternoon.
That's great.
You can also say, I am free in the morning, or I am busy in the evening.
Yes, very useful sentences.
Now, suggest an idea.
Do you want to go to the park?
Yes, that sounds great.
You can also say, do you want to watch a movie? Do you want to have coffee?
Yes, simple and friendly.
Next, fix a time. What time is good for you?
2 p.m. is perfect.
That's clear and easy.
You can also say, 3 p.m. works for me.
Now decide where to meet. Where should we meet?
Let us meet at the park entrance.
Good idea. It's easy to find.
Okay, now let's have full role play.
Are you free on Saturday?
Yes, I am free in the afternoon. But why?
Great. Do you want to go to the park?
Yes, that sounds great.
What time is good for you?
2 p.m. is perfect.
All right. Where should we meet?
Let's meet at the park entrance.
Perfect.
I'm excited.
Me too. Great. See you on Saturday.
See you then.
That was a simple conversation for making plans.
Yes, these sentences are very useful in daily life.
Let's review some key phrases.
Are you free on Saturday?
Do you want to go to the park?
What time is good for you?
Where should we meet?
See you then. Alex, do you like making plans in advance?
Yes, I do. It helps me stay organized.
Same here. But sometimes I like spontaneous plans too.
Oh, yes. Those can be fun.
Especially when friends call suddenly.
Exactly. Now it's your turn. Repeat after us.
Are you free on Saturday?
Do you want to go to the park?
What time is good for you?
Let's meet at the park entrance.
See you then.
Great job.
Today, we learned how to make plans in English.
Very simple and very useful.
You can use these sentences with your friends and colleagues.
Just keep it simple and speak with confidence.
And don't forget to check the description for more practice sentences.
Keep learning and keep practicing.
If this episode helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are learning English too.
It can help them improve as well.
Every like, every share, and every subscribe helps our channel grow.
See you in the next episode of English Tour. Bye.